Let's go through the steps to run the drone server and Docker runner on any computer with Docker installed. By running the drone server and Docker runner processes, we will be able to execute any Docker-based drone pipeline. We will also connect to GitHub, so the GitHub will be able to send webhooks for events like pushes, pull requests, tags, and more, so we can trigger our drone pipelines from those events. First, we will use a free service called ngrok to create a public endpoint that will forward traffic to our drone server process that we will start in just a moment. Next, we will create a GitHub OAuth application that drone will use to authenticate with GitHub. I'll call this app My Drone CI. For the homepage URL, we need the HTTPS forwarding URL from ngrok. Then, for the authorization callback URL, we will use the same URL with /login appended. For added authenticity, I will upload the official drone logo as the application logo for this OAuth application. GitHub gives us the client ID for the OAuth application, but we have to manually generate the client secret. Now we are ready to start the drone server and Docker runner containers. First, I'll create a drone Quickstart directory with a folder called data beneath it, where drone will write its database. Next, I will change to the Quickstart directory and use OpenSSL to generate a random string. We will create a Docker network for the drone server and Docker runner to use. Now we'll start passing all of the environment variables that the drone server process needs for your configuration. The random RPC secret string, which will allow the runner to communicate with the drone server, the host name provided by ngrok, the port to publish to ngrok, the Docker network name, and the drone Docker image at version 2. Next, we will start the Docker runner, giving it access to the Docker socket on the host, how to communicate with the drone server process, including the RPC secret, and the Docker runner Docker image at version 1. Now, if we click the ngrok link, we are greeted with a drone welcome page. Click Continue, authorize the OAuth application, enter the registration information, and log in to our drone instance, where we can filter by anything we choose. Now we are ready to activate a repository and start executing pipelines.